Oh wow! I woke up too early. Anyways, you guys want a template for your recording? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make one, of course. Firstly, you want to make your lighting good. It just depends on what you want your weather to be. It also depends on your places. Make sure to adjust your brightness in the lighting settings. Shadow softness is optional. Alright, we can move on to building places. Let's start by building a house. After you build a house, put some other things. Not random things, just nature things. So I'll just get some material. So now that you are done getting some nature things, you should put some other things. Maybe some random obby that will be in your template. It's also good to put button contraption for a thing you want to happen. Anyways, you should put some green screen. I forgot to mention that. You need to make it have image on each side. Otherwise, it will look bad, and the shadows around the corner can ruin your green screen. Make sure to make other color if your avatar has the same color as the green screen. Well, if you got advanced part, you should also try adding different sky and a different time. There are two ways to change the sky. One is to place an advanced tools part, or you can simply change the sky and times in advanced tools settings. That's all. Bye.